So how do you put a decades worth of experience into a soundbite? Um, how do you get people to notice you? Uh, how do you uh, how do you unlock that value? I that question just continues to um, fascinate me. And I remember early on when I transitioned from my role as a partner in an accounting firm to the financial advisory space, watching guys like Grant Cardone, and you get the 10x, and oh, but sorry, I should have had the cigar 10x, and my Canada refund checks, money, you know. Um, is that is that the way you do it? Uh, I'll tell you, guys like Grant Cardone, I love his energy, and you can tell he's done the work. And boy, when you've done the work, it just flows from there, right? You're really centered in who you are and who you're being, um, and yeah, and it takes those things to get people to notice, and we're drawn, right? Like we're drawn to that confidence that he's showing, because we want that confidence and the certainty that he's saying in what you can achieve. And frankly, I've seen it, so I agree. I agree with him. He's right. It's just the process, and the process. It's a grind, and you can't, like I said, you cannot put decades worth of experience into a soundbite yet. If you don't have the soundbite, you don't have the interest, and nobody likes being the best kept secret. So what do I recommend? Well, you know what? I recommend do the work, right? Do the work, and when you're drawn to a person like Grant Cardone or Tony Robbins, man, he's awesome too. You see that they have something, and really, what I've found for myself is that they have something that I want, and and then it's the work to go there and find it, and to access it, and then really translate it, and the the ups and downs, and how far you have to go down the rabbit hole to really reconcile with those things that are stopping you. And there's stories, and there's stories that you've told yourself, and they protect you, they keep you in a safe place, but really they're protecting you from the wrong things. We don't live in caves anymore, and there's not a saber-toothed tiger uh, around the corner or behind that rock anymore. Now, having said that, we live in the West, and there's a lot of violence, and there's a lot of things, and there's a lot of reasons to have fear in other parts of the world. Um, that's for sure. But where we live, we live in an amazing country, and um, we have an amazing quality of living and standard of life, and we really get to chase our dreams. So, uh, that's something that I certainly don't take for granted, um, and I hope that our clients don't as well. So really, what do I say? What business I'm in? You know what? I think I'm in the transformation business. Um, the 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 most satisfaction and the greatest things have been achieved when we've unlocked the potential in other people. So really, it's about the transformation business, and just looking forward to spending some more time with people who want to find some things for themselves in their lives, and really live the life that they have created for themselves. Thing is, though, is that it's hard work, but it's fun, and and will help but ultimately it's on you. So yeah, anyways, that's my 5-10 minute rant for the day. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm still in COVID, COVID comfort, I guess. Enjoying my morning and looking forward to many more. Hope everyone has a great day. Bye.